Hi everyone, it's Julia here, and this is your tutorial for the line dance Islands in the Stream, and the choreography is by TerryLineberry. Alright, before we get going, a couple tips. The first tip is to always orient yourself frontal. So whichever way you're facing your front. Yeah, so don't orient yourself to the space because it'll just get confusing. Just go to where you are. The other thing to know is that the choreography is just going to keep on chugging through the music, and don't go off the phrasing of the song because that'll just confuse you. The third thing is just be clear about when what turns you're doing, half turn, quarter turns, and just keep on chugging through. There's three main parts to the choreography, so we're just going to learn the first part, which repeats twice. So this is the first part, okay? And you're going to start with a shuffle right, which is a 1, 2, 3, and then a shuffle left, 1, 2, 3. So it goes like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah, so that's what they call a shuffle. So shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left. Let's do that again. Shuffle to the right and shuffle to the left. After that, you're going to cross over, step behind, quarter turn, step left. So you're always stepping right, left the whole time. So let's do that crossover again. Cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. One more time. Cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. All right, let's put that together. And we go. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, step right, quarter turn, step left. Let's do that again. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn right, step left. Again. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Then you're going to repeat it again. So our new front is here, and we're going to repeat the whole thing again. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Let's put those two together. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Again, starting on the right. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross right, step back, quarter turn, step left. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. One more time. Shuffle on the right and shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, step left. Part 2 stays facing the same way the whole time, and it goes like this. Shuffle to the right, step back, step forward. Shuffle to the left, step back, step forward. That's all it is. Let's do that again. Shuffle to the right, step back, step forward. Shuffle to the left, step back, step forward. And that only happens right and left. You just do the second part once. A little faster. 6, 7, 8. And shuffle to the right, step back, step front. And shuffle to the left, step back, step front. Again. 6, 7, and shuffle to the right, step back, step front. And shuffle to the left, step back, step front. Okay? There's two versions of part 3. There's the simplified version, and then there's the tricky version. So I'm going to do the simplified version first. Part 3, simplified version. Step forward, step back, quarter turn, step left. Again. Step forward, step back, quarter turn, step left. One more time. Step forward, step back, quarter turn, step left. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the tricky part, part 3, that's tricky. I'm going to teach it to you sideways because it'll be easier to learn. So I'm going to start facing this way. I'm going to start on my right foot. Hold my mic. I'm going to start on my right foot. We do one shuffle on the right, shuffle on the right, step on the left, pivot turn to the right. And now our left foot is free, so we're going to shuffle on the left, shuffle on the left, step right, and now just a quarter turn pivot, stepping left. Do that again, starting on the right foot, one shuffle, shuffle on the right, step left, half turn right. Now our left foot is free, so we're going to shuffle on the left, shuffle on the left, step right, quarter turn left. Again. Shuffle on the right, step left, half turn. Shuffle on the left, step right, quarter turn left. Again. Shuffle on the right and step, half turn. Shuffle on the left and step, quarter turn. Now remember, your facings don't matter. What matters is your direction of your body. Yeah, because we might not be facing this way in the phrase, we might be facing this way. One more time, let's face this way and do it. Shuffle on the right, step left, half turn. Shuffle on the left, step right, quarter turn. Let's do it facing this way. Shuffle on the right, step left, half turn. Shuffle on the left, step right, quarter turn. Ha! Got it? So this is what they call a four-wall dance, which means there's 4 directions that I do it in. So if I start this way, the next time I do the phrase, I'm going to be facing this way. And then the next time I start the whole phrase, I'm facing this way. And then the next time I'm facing this way. And then here again. So when in fact the dance starts this way, but then it circles this way, then you start here. Start the phrase here. Then it circles this way, then you start here. So 3/4 in the opposite direction every time. Just start again. So hang in there for 3 times round, and then you will be awesome. Let's put them together. I'll talk you through it, and then we'll try it with the music. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn. Repeat that. Shuffle on the right, shuffle on the left, cross over, step back, quarter turn, side to side. Shuffle forward right, half turn, shuffle left, step right, step left. Start again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross over, step back, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross over, step back, quarter turn. Here's the side to side. Side to side. Shuffle forward, half turn. Shuffle forward, quarter turn. Start again. Side to side. Go forward, step turn, go forward. Here's the quarter turn. Start again. Cross over, step back, quarter turn. Repeat that. cross, overstep, back, quarter, turn, side to side. Shuffle forward, half turn, shuffle forward, quarter turn.